Hello there, good evening. This is Sunil Sah and you are watching MedicoPharma lecture. Today we are going to start a new series of lecture on Human Anatomy and Physiology 1 for B.Pharmacy first semester student. And this lecture is going to be the first lecture in this series. During this lecture, we will cover syllabus for Human Anatomy and Physiology 1 and we will also discuss about exam pattern and mark distribution. But before that, let me introduce other participant of today's lecture.
Hello there. Good morning. I'm Sophia and I am a virtual assistant for the HAP lecture.
Hello everyone. Good morning. I'm Alice and I will be joining for this HAP lecture with you all.
Dear all, now we'll start the first part of this lecture, that is syllabus. So there are total 5 units in Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. And let me request my virtual assistant Sophia to post these all 5 units one by one. Hello Sophia, can you post the syllabus one by one?
Yes sir. Here it is, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Introduction to Human Body.
So the first chapter is about Introduction to Human Body, where we will study about Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology and various subspecialties. Along with that, we will also study about various level of organization and we will also discuss about homeostasis as well as various organ system. Okay.
Chapter 2, Cellular Level of Organization.
Now, coming to chapter 2, which is about cellular level of organization, where we will discuss in detail about cell, its organelles, and we will also discuss about cell cycle and cell division, right?
And Chapter 3, Tissue Level of Organization.
Now, coming to chapter 3, which is about tissue level of organization, where we will study about tissue introduction as well as various types of tissue like nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, etc. Okay.
Unit 2, Chapter 1, Integumentary System.
And the first chapter is about integumentary system, where we will discuss about skin and its associated structure like hair.
Chapter 2, Skeletal System.
The second chapter is about a skeletal system, where we will discuss about bones, types of bones, and we will discuss about their function as well as their structure.
And Chapter 3, Joints.
The next chapter is joints, where we will discuss about what is joint, different types of joint, as well as we will see various diseases related to joints. Is that okay? Right.
Unit 3, Chapter 1, Body Fluids and Blood.
So here we will discuss about blood, its composition and function. We will also study about different type of blood vessels. Am I right?
And Chapter 2, Lymphatic System.
The next chapter is about lymphatic system, where we will discuss about what is lymphatic system, thymus gland and spleen in this chapter.
Unit 4, Chapter 1, Peripheral Nervous System.
The first chapter is about peripheral nervous system, where we will discuss about sensory nervous system as well as motor nervous system. Okay.
And Chapter 2, Special Senses.
The next chapter is about special senses, where we will discuss about vision, olfaction, listening, balancing, etc. Okay.
Unit 5, Chapter 1, Cardiovascular System.
Now coming to Unit 5, which is going to be about cardiovascular system, where we will discuss about heart, its chamber, cardiac cycle, different type of blood circulation. With this, your syllabus is over, and in this slide you can see all your 5 units which are mentioned over here. Okay. Now, so the first 3 unit or 2.5 unit will come for your first seasonal, and the next half unit will be coming for second sessional. I hope you have understood this all, right? Okay. Now we'll discuss about exam pattern. So you know that you have two different type of papers. One is theory paper and another is practical paper. So you are going to write theory exam as well as you are going to write practical exam. So the theory exam carries 100 marks and practical exam carry 50 marks. So if you'll talk about theory exam, this 100 marks is further divided into two parts. One part is conducted by university, that is called as university exam, which carries 75 marks, and the another part is called as internal exam that carries 25 marks and is conducted by institute or college. Coming to practical exam, it is also having two parts, that is university exam which carries 35 marks and internal exam which carries 15 marks. Now so you will be more happy because you will think that, oh my god, here the marks is given by institute, so I will easily get these marks, right? But no, it is very difficult to get these sessional marks. Okay, so now we'll discuss about sessional exam pattern so that you will understand how it is difficult to score these marks. Okay, now if we will discuss about sessional exam pattern, it is comprises of two parts, that is theory internal exam as well as practical internal exam. If we'll talk about theory internal exam, it carries 25 marks, whereas practical internal exam, it carries 15 marks. Now if we'll discuss about theory internal exam, it is further divided into two parts. One is called sessional exam which carries 15 marks and you will write two sessional for that, right? Okay, and another is your continuous mode which carries 10 marks. This sessional exam which carries 15 marks will be calculated from your two sessional which you are going to write. Okay, so this sessional will be conducted for 30 marks. Okay, and that will be converted into 15 marks by dividing with 2 and the average marks will be taken, right? Now coming to your continuous mode which carries 10 marks is further divided into three parts. 4 marks is allotted for attendance, 3 marks is allotted for assignment and 3 marks is allotted for teacher-student interactions. So coming to attendance, if your attendance is more than 95%, then you will score 4 marks. If your attendance is in between 90 to 95%, you will score 3 marks. If your attendance is more than 85 and below 90, then you will score 2 marks. And if it is in between 80 to 85, then you will score 1 mark. Okay. Now coming to practical internal marks which carries 15 marks, that is further divided into two parts. One is sessional exam that carries 10 marks and there is continuous mode which carries 5 marks. So this sessional exam we will conduct for 40 marks and we will convert it into 10 marks. Okay, and we will conduct 2 practical sessional exam during a semester and average marks will be considered. Okay, and coming to continuous mode which carries 5 marks, here also it is further divided into 2 parts. The first one is attendance which carries 2 marks and record that carries 3 marks. If we'll discuss about attendance, here also if your attendance is more than 95%, you will score 2 marks. If your attendance is more than 90% and below 95, you will score 1.5 marks. If your attendance is in between 85% and 90%, then you will score 0.5 marks. So hope you have understood this. Alright. So guys, it seems more complicated, but actually it is not so complicated. If you'll see this video once again, you will understand it clearly. Okay. Hope you guys have understood this clearly. Still, if you have any question or query, you can post it into comment section of this video and I will be back with the answer as soon as possible. Okay. At last, I would like to say thanks to all of my viewers for being with MedicoPharma lectures, and it's high time to say bye bye to Sophia as well as with Alice. Bye bye Sophia, bye bye Alice.
Bye bye.
Bye sir. Bye everyone.
Thank you very much for watching us, and please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon, and please do not forget to provide your feedback under comment section because it will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.